So our first thing is to expand the brackets separately. So 4 times 3 is 12, so 12u. Plus sign, so plus sign, and 4 times 3 is 12. Plus, then expand the second one. 5 times 7 is 35, so 35u, minus 5 times 8, 40. Now we can collect together the u's. 12u plus 35u is 47 u's. And then 12 take 40, positive 12 take 40, takes us into the negatives, and it's minus 18. There's our answer. Next one. A bit more demanding, pure and simply because of the minus sign in between. Same maths though, remove that bracket. 5 times 3 is 15, so 15h. Plus 5 times the 5, 25. Minus 2 times 3, 6, so 6h. And this is where people go wrong, because they tend to put minus, and 2 times 5 is 10. But that minus sign is wrong. Why? Because that's a minus times another minus. Minus times a minus, you must remember, gives a positive answer. So that should be a plus 10. Just like with the previous one, we can tidy this up. We've got 15h's, told to take 6h's, so that's 9h. And then we've got 25, add 10, we've got plus 35. Next one. 2 times 3 is 6, so 6j, plus 2 times 5, 10. Minus, so minus 4 times j, 4j, and 4 times 6 is 24. Again, people might accidentally put a plus sign there, but we've got a minus sign times a plus sign. The answer should be a minus sign. Minus sign. Tidy it up. We've got 6 j's, told to take 4 j's, so you've got 2 j's. And you've got 10 take 24, 10 take 24, which means we go below 0, and it's minus 14. So remove the bracket. 2 times 3, we have 6g, plus 2 times 1, 2. Plus signs, plus sign. 5 times the 6, 30g. And then 5 times 1 is 5, and it's all pluses around, so plus 5. Tidy that up, we've got 6g plus 30g, we've got 36g. And then numerically, we've got 2 plus the 5, we've got 7. Again, 5 times 3, we've got 15g. 5 times the 8, we've got 40. Minus 4 times 2 is 8g. And 4 times 2 is 8. But as I said with the previous one, minus times a plus, minus 8. Tidying that up, we've got 15g, take 8g, we've got 7g. And 40, take the 8, we've got positive 32. Finally, we've got 5 times 7 is 35, so 35f. 5 times 6 is 30, so plus 30. Plus 4 times f is 4f. 4 times 8 is 32. But like with the other work, a plus sign times a minus sign makes the answer negative for that last one. So we have 35f's plus 4f's, 39f's. And we've got 30, take 32, we have minus 2.